This chicken marsala is so easy. It's fork tender chicken, crispy pancetta, earthy mushrooms, and roasted shallots, all smothered in a rich marsala sauce. Toss the shallots and mushrooms into a baking dish with about 1 tablespoon olive oil and some vinegar. We're going to roast these in a 400-degree oven for about 30 minutes. We're going to stir them a couple of times during the baking process. Now let's prepare the chicken. Either slice the chicken breasts in half into thin pieces or pound them until they are about a half an inch thick. Not only does this help make this a 40-minute meal by allowing the chicken to cook through quickly, but it also ensures that each forkful includes equal parts chicken and the delicious marsala sauce, and not mostly chicken. Working with one flattened breast at a time, spread mustard onto one side of each breast and press 2 sage leaves into the mustard side of the breast. Let's get started on sauteing the chicken. The first thing we're going to do is cook the pancetta until it gets nice and crispy and brown. Set it aside on a paper-lined plate. Spread 1/4 cup of flour in a shallow dish, such as a pie plate. Now, working in with one breast at a time, we're going to dredge the breast in flour to coat both sides. We're going to give it a light shake to get rid of that excess flour. Using the now empty skillet that we used to fry up the pancetta, we're going to lay the chicken in the skillet and we're going to cook it until it's well brown on the first side. Flip it only once and add some more oil if you need to keep the chicken from sticking. Transfer the chicken to a plate and tent it loosely with some aluminum foil. Now we're going to make the marsala sauce. Take a look at the shallots in your oven as well as the mushrooms. What we're looking for is that they're nice and roasted and translucent. If they're ready, set them aside and let's start on the marsala sauce. Let's make a really good marsala sauce. Don't be afraid of those brown bits on the bottom of your pan after cooking the chicken. Those bits equal tons of flavor. We're going to heat that empty chicken skillet to medium high and add the marsala, scraping up all the brown bits with a wooden spoon. And then we're going to add cream and cook until thick. Return your chicken and add half the pancetta, the remaining mustard, and the sage. To serve, top the chicken and remaining crisp pancetta, roasted mushrooms, and shallots. Spoon over the sauce and now enjoy. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and you can get all kinds of recipes on ourtablefor2.com.